I'm Alaya, and thank you for clicking on this video of how to do dark makeup. This is the worst makeup tutorial of all time, so if you really like shitty ass boring humans, keep on watching.
So the first thing that I just did was I did my whole face. I did my primer and my foundation, and what I use is the Pore, this one. Sorry, my lighting's really bad. And then I used Face Tape by Tarte. This guy right there. I really like this one. I don't really know. I really like Tarte. It's awesome. I don't really know why. I just love it. But for the eyeshadow, for my eyelids, for the eye color, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette because I have issues, and the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice from Too Faced. They don't really have these that much around because it's like summer right now. They probably should have it restocked around like winter or Christmas time is, because it is like a Christmas thing. But yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use eye primer, which is, I don't have eye primer. I am using concealer as my eye primer because I don't really know. I use Tarte Face Tape. If you're in the makeup industry or whatever, if you're like makeup, of course, have you heard of this? It's like the best concealer ever. One of the best.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a flat brush and then like just put it in. Just put it all over your lid. Like so. There we go.
I am only a child and I have no idea what the fuck I'll be doing. So I'm just gonna use different colors what I think what works. Yeah. And we're just gonna go with that. So once your lids are primed, you're gonna take a fat brush and you're gonna find the most widest eye shadow you can find. So I'm gonna use sugar powder and this beautiful little cute adorable little thing, my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go that way, tap once, and then just blend it all over my eyelid like that, all the way to your eyebrow. Once you're all done, you are going to take another eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Morphe's brushes mostly. I'm going to use this brush. I don't have a name for it. It's just a brush. I'm so good at explaining stuff. I am so sorry. I'm just going to go into like this light brown eyeshadow. It's like very light, where it looks like that. Anyway, I'm just gonna put that in there and then tap once and put it in your crease like that, right there, like so. But yeah, I recently got these brushes because I had these other brushes that I got from Amazon, which they're like fucking $3, so you know that they suck ass. So, but I got these, from
Ulta Beauty. But anyways, the ones that I used that were like $3 were just like terrible. They literally like to right my eyelids. It was not pleasant. Like my eyelids would rather be raped by bats. So how much it hurt my eyelid.
But I really like these a lot because they're much softer and they're better, and I really like Morphe because they're affordable and they're really good. And then I'm gonna take it up another bit, much down here. It's like a little bit darker and orangier than the one that we just did. So you're gonna tap it off, and then go through that again. Oh, clean your eyeshadow and then redo that. Well, that's what I do. I'm probably wrong because I'm a woman. So next I'm going to put in this it's going to be a little bit darker than what we just did. You know, I'm just going to keep going darker and darker and darker brown. Just find the lightest brown you can find and just keep going dark. Yeah. So do that again. I don't know why I'm using the same fucking blush. I should be using this other one because I'm a fucking idiot. I'm just basically just doing whatever I think looks good. I'm just gonna hope and pray that it'll turn out good. Like James Charles makeup does, but probably not. A human can dream. I just had like some water right where I was, right here on that like little seat, but it spilled because I lifted my leg when I was underneath the table or chair, and it literally like went all over my floor, and I was so fucking pissed. I literally wanted to cry. But I got a towel to clean it up, so. And then it was just like, fuck you, I'm gonna spill on you, you piece of shit. And then it fell. Dark brown. I'm going into this color. I'm gonna stamp it in. Then I'm gonna go in the crease. I'm just gonna keep going in the crease, in the crease, in the crease. And let's hope it turns out beautiful. Okay? This much. So, anyway, I'm gonna take this flat brush and clean it, and then I'm going to put in a light brown, medium brown, and then go underneath your eyelid, because why the fuck not? You know, we're experimenting. And then I'm gonna take this little thin brush, and then I'm going to put in like a really, really dark brown. It could be black. But yeah, you're gonna put a small brush like this, and then you're gonna put it in the crease like that, and just kind of, not like all the way, but like a little bit like that, like softly, like that, and then kind of make like a V. And then you're gonna take that big fat fluffy brush you had in the beginning, and then you're gonna clean it, and then you're gonna just like, and then you're just gonna blend it. Honestly, can't really see it, but it looks like up close. And of course it looks like shit. Because I can't, maybe it's the lighting, I don't know. Either way, I'm fucking pissed. It's so bad. Why can't I succeed in life? So you're gonna take a brush that looks like these, I don't know what it's called, and I'm gonna go into a yellow eyeshadow. Just, you guys can't fucking see it. I'm blind as fuck. But and then go in like the corner, and then like go like that, and then like that. Anyways, I'm gonna go into my warm toasty gold. Just find anything like yellow gold, and then you're gonna put your finger into it, and then you're just gonna go in the middle of your eyelid, and then just try to make a V, I guess. I probably messed this shit all up. So next I'm gonna be using my favorite eyeliner of all time. It's called Sex Kitten. It's from Tarte. It is awesome. I love it. It's liquid eyeliner, and you're just gonna make a cat eye with your eye. Yeah, I think the reason why I like it so much is because I like cats and I like gay sex, which makes perfect sense. So let's do this. After all these years, I've been doing eyeliner, which is like since I was 12 years old, so some bullshit. I'm gonna use this kind of brushy thingy right there, and then like go underneath my eyelid. Okay. Before I do my eyebrows, let me just say I don't ever do my eyebrows because my hair is always in my face. But for this tutorial, I guess I will. Just letting you know. That's also part of why I don't do my eyebrows, because I can't fucking do my eyebrows. It always looks like a vampire, and I hate it because it's so thick and black whenever I do it, or whenever I let someone else do it. I hate it. It looks good on everyone else, but not me. Makeup just fucking hates me, bro. Using my eyebrow pencil by Benefits. It's like a brushel. It's like this fucking dildo looking thing or some shit. I mean, I don't know what a dildo is. I'm underage. God. This thing can suck my motherfucking dick. Mascara. Next, I'm gonna be using mascara. I'm gonna be using Milk Kush mascara. This is my favorite mascara right now. It just smells so good and it makes my eyes high as fuck in one hit. No. So, I'm usually gonna take my MAC and then I'm gonna use this powder brush, which is a cactus. I'm gonna just put that all over my face. And then I use my concealer after, like that. And my nose. I used to put it down right. And that's about it, basically. Just blend it in. Just blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna use this, it's like a shimmer. It's kind of like a highlighter, but it's a shimmer highlighter. Or you can just use your eye highlighter, but it's like really small for like my eyebrow. But it's from Benefits. I just got a free sample of this from this one chick. Put this right there. And then right there. Right there. And I'm gonna take a baby sponge and then you're just gonna tamp it. I don't really want to do my contour. Well, fuck it. Contour. It's just basically like the white and then the bronzer and the contours right there. I don't know, just find an angle brush, whatever it is. And then you're gonna dip into your white powder and then go underneath your lid. And then your nose. Cord. I just forgot to cord me using my contour, which I just make it 3. I use Milk Makeup. It's just a highlighter. And just put this like right here. Fuck. Oh, and then your tip of your nose. And you're gonna take a small brush and I'm just gonna blend it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go into my True Brown by Kylie Cosmetics lipstick. Okay, done. Last but not least, I go with a setting spray by Urban Decay. It's oil control because I have really oily skin. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. I hope you liked this video. If you don't, I don't blame you because it was really shitty of me to make this video. But if you like it, just let me know. I'll probably make a cosplay video and it'll be a lot better and me not be that awkward as it is in this video. But I actually had fun. But yeah, I didn't use any falsies lashes because I don't really need them. I just don't. Love you, little cunts.